Standard 8 Maths Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities. Hello everyone. In last video we have been discussing exercise 8.2 and we have done up to question number 3. So there was a little mistake in question number 3. So we have calculated the total profit and these were the total number of article was 80. I have calculated for 20. So it was selling price of 80 articles. Okay. So from that we have to calculate the selling price of one article. It is 2784 upon 80. It comes out to be 3480. Okay, rupees. Selling price of one article. So this you have to means clarify. Now next question. This is question number 4. Question number 4 of exercise 8.2. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 was spent on its repair. If it is sold as profit of rupees 15%, so find the selling price of article. So now cost of article was 15,500. 15,500 rupees. Overhead expenses was rupees 450. So total CP will be we have to add these. This is 15,500 plus 450. It is 15,950 rupees. This is the total total cost price. Now what he did, he has sold at a profit of rupees 15%. Find the selling price of, so percent profit is, so profit percent was 15%. So we have to calculate the selling price. Selling price will be this cost price, that is 15,950 plus 15% of this. Okay, 15% of this 15,950. Clear? So it is 15,950 plus 15,5 is 75, 7, and that is 135. 2575, that is 81, 8. Okay, so amount will be, so kindly check with this answer. So sorry, this is the selling price of the article. Okay, now next question, that is question number 4. Question number 5. This is question number 5. A VCR TV bought rupees 8,000 each. Shopkeeper made a loss on 4%. So VCR earned on loss of 4% on VCR and a profit of 8% of TV. Find the loss or gain percent on whole transaction. So cost of VCR and TV is 8,000 each. Means, okay, so total CP will be 8,000 into 2. It is clear, that is rupees 16,000 is this total CP. Now on VCR, and we will calculate individually. So VCR CP for VCR was rupees 8,000. Okay, now loss percent was, it was 4% loss. He has sold at a loss of 4%. So selling price will be this 8,000 minus 4% of this 8,000. So it was rupees 8,000 minus 320. So it is 87680 rupees was the selling price for VCR. Now for in case of TV, on TV, cost price was same, that is rupees 8000. Okay, profit earned was 8%. So selling price for TV will be this 8000 plus 8% of this 8000. So it is 8000 plus 640 and selling price. Clear? Selling price for TV is rupees 8640. So total CP will be, so the total SP will be this selling price of VCR plus selling price of this would be the, so it is 2 5 60. So is it it is 8640, it is 223, sorry, it is 3. Clear? So total selling price was is rupees 16,320. Say cost price was this much and selling price of this much. So profit will be, profit is 16,320 minus 16,000. So profit he earned was rupees 320. So there will be profit percent. We have to calculate profit percent will be, this is 320 upon 16,000 into 100. Okay, this is cancel out and this is 2. So profit percent was 2%. Clear? So I hope this is clear. Now next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6. What it says, during a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on marked price of all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a jeans pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirt marked at 850 each? Now percent discount offer was 10%. Now mark price for jeans is rupees 40. This is the case of jeans. Clear? So selling price will be, this 10% discount is allowed, selling price will be this mark price, this is 450 minus 10% of this. Clear? Of this 14. So it is 1450 minus 145. This is 5. This is 0. This is 3. So for jeans, he has to pay rupees 1305. Now for shirt, he has to purchase two shirts. Okay. So mark price, this is the case of shirts. Mark price of two shirts will be 850 into 2, that is 1700 rupees. Percent discount is 10%. It is same for every article. So selling price will be this 1700 minus 10% of 1700. So it is 1700 minus 170. This is 0. This is 3. 6 minus 1. This is 5. And this is 1500. Okay. So for jeans, he has to pay rupees 1305. For shirt, he has to pay rupees 1530. So total amount paid will be this 1305 plus this 1530. It is 5 it is 3, it is 8, and this is, so amount paid was after discount is 2835. Now next question, that is question number 7. So question number 7, it says during, sorry, a milkman sold two of his buffaloes for 20,000 each. Okay, on one he has made a gain of 5%, on other he has a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. Now what he has sold. So total selling price of, now total selling price of two buffaloes will be, selling price of two buffaloes will be 20,000 into 2, since one buffalo is he has sold for 20,000, so total selling price will be 40,000. Okay, now for first buffalo, selling price is rupees 20,000. Okay, in this selling price is given, we have to find the cost price, and then we have to decide whether he has earned a profit or he has earned a loss. So first buffalo and this is second buffalo, we will calculate. Okay, so first buffalo selling price was rupees 20,000 and he has made a gain of 5%. So profit was 5%. So selling price, when we calculate, it is profit, so it was comes out to be 105. We have to add to this, or we can simply write this selling price plus 5% of this selling price. This way we have to calculate. So this selling price is 105 times of this, and if we calculate cost price from this is selling price into 100 upon 105. So selling price was 20,000 upon 105. Clear? So this is 20, this is 21. So cost price for this was, this is wait. So if we calculate CP will come out this 19047.62. That means 1900. Oh sorry, 19,000 rupee and 47 rupees 62 paisa. This is the cost price for this. Now for second buffalo, selling price was same, that is rupees 20,000, and percent loss was 10%. So selling price was cost price minus 10% of this cost price. This is how we have calculate. Now this is 90%, 90 CP upon 100. This is equal to SP. Now if we calculate CP, it is SP into 100 upon 90. So it is 20,000 into 100 upon 90. So it is so cost price for second buffalo rupees 22,222 and 22 paisa. Now, okay, I'm rubbing this. So total cost price will be this 19047.62 plus cost price for first buffalo and cost price of second buffalo, that is 222.20. So it is come out to be 41,269.84. Now see, cost price was rupees 41,269.84 and selling price was 40,000. So when cost price is greater than selling price, in this case what is cost price is greater than selling price, that means he has suffered a loss. So he has suffered a loss. So loss will be cost price minus selling price. It is 4126.69.84 minus 40,000. So loss is rupees 1269.84 rupees. So total loss was this. So this way we have to calculate. Okay. So remaining question we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.